Embarking on a fitness journey can be a daunting yet exhilarating experience. As a beginner, the key is to start with realistic goals and a positive mindset. Begin by identifying why you want to become fitter, whether it's to lose weight, gain strength, or improve mental health. This personal motivation will keep you committed and driven through your transformation. Once you've set your goals, it's time to craft a balanced fitness routine. Start with simple, low-impact exercises like walking, stretching, and light jogging. These activities are gentle on the body, while still providing cardiovascular benefits and aiding in muscle conditioning. Complement these actions with bodyweight exercises such as squats, push-ups, and planks. They help build core strength and stamina without the need for fancy equipment. Incorporate flexibility and recovery into your regimen. Yoga and Pilates are excellent options for enhancing flexibility and preventing injuries. Remember that rest days are crucial to allow your body to recover and grow stronger. Consistency is the foundation of any successful fitness routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity, 5 days a week. Nutrition plays a vital role in your fitness journey. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Adequate hydration is equally important, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Consider consulting a nutritionist to develop a meal plan tailored to your specific goals and dietary needs. Tracking your progress can be a massive motivator. Keep a fitness journal or use an app to log your workouts and meals. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small, as these achievements reflect your dedication and hard work. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage your efforts and make the journey enjoyable.